This is the EcoFlow DELTA Pro ecosystem, a huge expandable capacity. A mix of renewable charging solutions and direct integration with your home. In this video, we'll dive into the exterior of DELTA Pro. First, turn on your unit by pressing the main power button. On the front, you'll find a redesigned LCD screen to give you all the information you need. Below the screen are two USB-A ports and two USB-A fast charge ports. On the next row, you'll find two USB-C ports. On the bottom quarter of the front panel is where your AC ports are. Right at the bottom of DELTA Pro is an extendable handle for when you're on the go. On the side of the unit, you'll see the Infinity port. EcoFlow's latest proprietary technology allows you to link with EcoFlow's smart home panel. Connect another DELTA Pro for more output, or for the first time ever, plug into EV charging stations to charge your unit. Above the Infinity port is a panel with multiple ports and buttons. This button on the left resets your unit's wireless connections and makes it discoverable to other devices. Below, you'll find the Bluetooth pairing button and the standby switch, whereas the port on the right is for an Ethernet cable. There are two ways to connect. Connect via the remote control port to monitor and control your DELTA Pro using the remote control. Press the pairing button on DELTA Pro. Turn on your remote control and press the pairing button. Once connected, you'll be able to monitor and control your unit wirelessly. Slide the standby switch to the on position to turn on DELTA Pro with the remote control or app. On the top half of the panel is where you'll find DELTA Pro's DC ports and one 12-volt 30-amp Anderson port, ideal for your RV. On the back of DELTA Pro, you'll find DC charging ports and the extreme charging port. Next to the DC port is the AC charge speed switch. This is an in-app customizable switch that allows you to set options for charging speed. Set to the up position for fast charging. Set to the bottom position for a custom speed setting. On the far right, you'll find an overload protection switch. In cases where AC input exceeds 20 amps, overload protection activates to protect your unit. In the middle of the back panel are two extra battery ports. You can use these to radically expand DELTA Pro's capacity with our DELTA Pro Extra batteries or smart generators. That's the exterior of DELTA Pro in a nutshell. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.